Welcome to my orchid corner, where nature meets tropical elegance. Here are 4 amazing orchids that bring the world's beauty right to my garden. First, the Epidendrum Orchid, native to the tropical Americas. With long, slender leaves and bold spirit, it thrives in sunlight and fresh air, a symbol of strength and growth. Next, the Dendrobium Orchid, from Southeast Asia and the Pacific. Graceful, vine-like, always reaching upward, a reminder that even the smallest shoots can climb toward greatness. Then comes the Cattleya Orchid, the true queen of orchids, born in Central and South America. Its thick leaves and sturdy stems hold the promise of breathtaking blooms, vibrant, confident, and proud. Each orchid tells a story of resilience, patience, and life in full color. Nature's elegance, nurtured with this is the Paphiopedilum, known as the lady's slipper orchid, a rare treasure from the tropical forests of Southeast Asia. Its mottled green leaves and elegant slipper-shaped bloom make it one of nature's most graceful creations. Each flower unfolds slowly, like a secret whispered by the earth, a symbol of patience, beauty, and quiet strength.